Human stuff, huh? Hey, let me see. Oh, look at this. Wow, this is very special. It's very, very unusual. It's a dinklehopper. Humans use these little babies to straighten their hair out. A little twist here and a pull there, and voila! You got an aesthetically pleasing configuration of hair people go nuts over. Ah, I haven't seen this in years. This is wonderful. A banded, bulbous snarfblot. A snarfblot dates back to prehistoric times, when humans used to stare at each other all day. Got very boring. So they invented the snarfblot to keep everyone from getting bored. Allow me. Ah, it's stuck. Maybe you can make a planter on it or something. Anytime, sweetie. Anytime. Nothing is happening. And there's only one day left. All right, okay. Time for a little vocal romantic stimulation. Stand back. Ariel, I was flying. Of course I was flying. I thought that the witch was watching a mirror with a stolen set of pipes. Do you hear what I'm telling you? The prince is marrying a sea witch in disguise. Stole the wedding. What? What am I? What? That's it. Move it. We got a big emergency here.